The DURApulse GS30 AC drives from Automation Direct are a full-featured yet easy-to-work with drive. Let's simply run a GS30 straight out of the box so you can see how easy these are to work with. Before powering the drive, when using single-phase like I am here, or other non-symmetrical inputs, the input filter must be disabled by removing this jumper. Simply loosen the screw back here and pull out the jumper. The manual describes symmetrical versus non-symmetrical power sources, so please look there if you are unsure. Now I can connect my single-phase power. If you're familiar with the GS10 or GS20 drives, you'll notice this keypad is a little bit different. But it's super easy to work with since the parameter names are clearly spelled out instead of just parameter numbers and abbreviations. To access programming, we push the digital dial. Pushing the digital dial acts as the enter key. This will bring us to the programming menu. This is the same menu structure as the other GS drives. The dial allows you to quickly scroll through the menus and parameters. If we push the dial again, we get to the first parameter in the menu, and the parameter name is fully spelled out. If we want to change the parameter, simply push the dial again and adjust by rotating the dial. Then push for enter, or push the menu button to back out. Since we're at factory default without any programming, the start and stop buttons will run the drive, and the digital dial will control the speed. You'll notice for this the dial is a bit slow, so we can use the arrow key to move the cursor for larger adjustments. This applies to any setting using the dial. And the drive can run without a load, so it's that easy to get running. Now let's get a motor running. All I really need to do is set the necessary motor parameters. At a bare minimum, I need to set the motor full load amps, so the motor is protected, the rated kW, which is horsepower times 0.746. So this 1 horsepower motor will round to 0.75 kW, and the rated speed of the motor. The parameters are so easy to find on this keypad with full descriptions. This assumes you're using an induction motor. If you're using a permanent magnet motor, see the video linked above or in the description. So that's all you really need to get the motor running. Again, remember you can run without the motor connected if you just want to test your control setup. Keep in mind that since the GS30 has all the parameters of the GS10 and 20, this really applies to those drives as well. In the next video, we'll wire controls for start, stop, and speed. Automation Direct is providing the products and support you need to make us your common sense way to buy industrial controls. To see all GS30 videos, click here. To buy drives for your applications, click here. And for more help, please see our award-winning tech support options here.